I ordered this stand about 6 weeks ago. It's called a Lazy Susie, and it's for the middle of your dining table. But I ordered it for my crafts because I thought it would just be ideal for what I'm going to do in a minute. This is my latest project. This is the bottom of a bird house that I've just altered. It's covered in purple corrugated card, and then I put some lace and some satin trim on it. And as you see now, I can turn it round quite easy on my new gadget. It won't stop when I want it to stop. The stem of the birdhouse is covered in paper with purple butterflies on. And if I turn it round some more, you'll see all the nice flowers and stems. See, you won't stop moving now. Just take you up a little bit, and you will see that the stand is actually for the kitchen to hang cups on. I covered the bars in satin tape, and the middle has got some corrugated card and some I've forgotten the word now. I thought I could hang some tags and things on when it's finished. And this is the first side window. Nice purple card and some gems and lace and trim. Turn it gentle around. And this is the back window. Nice purple paper again, and pearls and lace, and all around the bottom has got lace and satin trim. And this is the other side, just the same. Supposed to represent windows. And the front is this, a clock face. It's got the purple card covered in lace and the clock dial around it, and a couple of little birds. And want to show you the roof, I'll just hold it down like this. Got satin ribbon and lace. And satin trim. And I need to move back quite a bit for you to see how high it is. And in the middle there, I forgot about them, there's some mauve and white flowers. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.